Dear students, today I am here with a new story, The French Lesson, which has been taken from the White Course book of class 6th. This lesson is adapted and abridged from the children's novel A Little Princess. A Little Princess has been written by Frances Hodgson Burnett. She was born on 24th November 1849 in England. She was a British-American novelist and playwright. She died in United States on 29th October in the year 1924. Now let me introduce the characters to you. These are the few main characters. First is the Sarah crew, who is the protagonist around whom the story revolves. Then we have Captain Crewe, who is the father of Sarah. Monsieur Dufarge is the French teacher, and Miss Minchin is the owner of the girls' boarding school. Here are the other characters of the story. Marriott is Sarah's maid, and then we have Emily, who is Sarah's doll, but Sarah imagines her to be a living figure. And then there are other students of the boarding school, that is Lavinia Herbert, Jessie and Lottie Lay. Let me now begin with the summary of the lesson. The story is about Sarah Crewe, who is a motherless child. She has been raised in India by her wealthy father, Captain Crewe. Sarah was enrolled in Miss Minchin's all-girls boarding school in London, and her father had to go back to India. But before returning to India, he told Miss Minchin to buy the best of everything for Sarah. Sarah had all the luxurious things like beautiful dresses, delicate dolls, but she missed her father a lot. Sarah entered the schoolroom. All the girls looked at her with surprise because they had already heard a lot about her. The girls were jealous of her because she had nice things and was rich. Emily was Sarah's favorite doll, with whom Sarah would usually chat at length as if she was able to understand all that Sarah spoke. That morning, after Marriott, Sarah's maid, dressed Sarah in her dark blue frock and tied her hair with dark blue ribbon, she went to Emily, who was sitting on a chair. Sarah gave Emily a book to read while she went downstairs. Marriott looked at both Sarah and the doll. Sarah told her that her doll could read, walk and talk when no one was around. On entering the classroom, Sarah was introduced to other girls by Miss Minchin. Miss Minchin asked Sarah if she had learnt French earlier. Before Sarah could explain anything to Miss Minchin, she was rudely told to begin learning French at once as Monsieur Dufarge was about to come. Sarah was embarrassed. She went on her place and started reading her book. She was happy at reading the first page of the book, but smiling would make it look rude, so she kept on reading. Miss Minchin again scolded Sarah for not liking the idea of learning French, but as Sarah opened her mouth to explain, she was again stopped in between by Miss Minchin. Monsieur Dufarge arrived shortly. He was a very nice, intelligent, middle-aged Frenchman. He was happy to see Sarah as his new student. Miss Minchin informed Monsieur Dufarge that Sarah's father wants her to learn French, but she does not seem to wish to learn. Monsieur Dufarge motivated Sarah by saying that French is a charming language and easy to learn. Feeling comfortable, Sarah explained Monsieur Dufarge in quite simple and fluent French that she knew almost all the phrases given in the book, so she did not need to read that. She had not learned French through books but through the people she lived with. She could read and write it just as she could read and write English. Her mother was also a French, so she will be happy to learn anything that Monsieur would teach her, but Madame was not ready to understand that she already knew the words in that book. Monsieur Dufarge was happy to know that. He took the phrase book from Sarah and told Miss Minchin that Sarah is a French, so there was not much he could teach her. On listening this, Miss Minchin felt embarrassed and said Sarah should have told her. Sarah said she tried to explain it to Miss Minchin, but maybe her way of explaining was not correct. At that very moment, Lavinia and Jessie had a laugh that angered Miss Minchin. And this incident was the beginning of Miss Minchin's rude behavior towards Sarah. That was all for today. Thank you for watching the video. See you again in the next video.